welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I created a Valentine's Day setup and I just wanted to share it with you all. I wanted to share the entire setup or me setting it up, but my camera was down. So now I'm just gonna let you see what I created. And I will have links to all of the material in the description below, and I'm going to explain to you as I go over it how I put everything together. All right, here we go. So if you're doing a setup in front of a plain white wall, you can do something like this. You don't have to have a double layer backdrop. You can do a single layer as long as the wall is like plain white like mine is. So up here I use 3 packs of red drapes. Each pack has 2 panels. All of my drapes or curtains are 10 feet long, and I suggest that for doing these backdrops. For the pink, I only use 1 pack, so those are just 2 panels of the pink. Now, up here I have 4 panels, and then over here on the side, covering the poles, I have a drape on each side. So these foam hearts that you see here, I got those from Dollar Tree, and the only thing I did was hot glue 2 together, and I have them hanging with fishing line and a safety pin here. This centerpiece here is a DIY that I did last year, and I will be sure to link that video below. I just added some candles here, flameless candles with Happy Valentine's Day, and Happy Valentine's Day here. These rose petals, they come from Dollar Tree. But this centerpiece right here, this is actually a paper towel holder centerpiece. And these are made with all Dollar Tree material. The total cost to make this is like under $15. I have a rosette red runner here. I'm trying to camouflage my cord, so when I step back, you won't see the cord. I've used these beautiful vases here from the at-home store, and I have flameless candles in those. Here is a canvas of my husband and I on our wedding day. So his brother got this for us as a gift, and he put it on a canvas. So I always have this in my living room behind my couch. So I decided to put it on this easel right here, and I will link that below. I got that from Amazon. So I'm gonna get ready to turn off the lights, turn down the lights, and just kind of let you see with the candles lit up. So this is how it looks with my candles turned on, and the candles, they come from Walmart. And then this fireplace, I got it from Home Depot. So I'll try to link that as well. So this is how it looks. So this is perfect for an anniversary as well. Sweetest Day, you can do a setup like this for Sweetest Day. However you choose. So this just shows a celebration of love. Please like, share, and comment below. And stay tuned. I am going to be making a Valentine's Day tablescape. I've already started it. And then I'm gonna do something for Black History Month. So just stay tuned until I see you next time. Bye.